How to improve Wi-Fi performance on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. After you're in the settings, click on Search button at the top right corner of your screen. After you have clicked on Search button at the top right, search Developer Options and click on Developer Options. Make sure your Developer Options is turned on. After that, scroll down and search for Enable Wi-Fi Burst Mode Logging. Simply click on it and turn that on. After you turn that on, your Wi-Fi performance will improve. And this is how to improve Wi-Fi performance on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.